Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. How to read foundation drawing, RCC footing drawing and column reinforcement details. Guys, many civil engineering students, they are not able to read foundation drawing. So therefore you must watch this video from start to end. Then you are able to learn how to read foundation drawing, footing drawing and column reinforcement details. So let's start guys. If this video is helpful for you, so must like this video and subscribe the channel with press bell icon if you are new. Guys, you can see this is RCC footing. It's cross section and this is top plan of footing, rectangular footing. You can see this is RCC column and this is footing. Okay, size of this footing is 4 feet and 6 inch by 4 feet and 6 inch, 4.5 by 4.5 feet. You can see 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet. Okay, this is size of footing for this project which I am discussing. Okay, for this one. Okay, and size of the column is 9 by 9 inches. Right? Let's discuss its reinforcement details and also its cross section. As you can see guys, footing size is 4.5 by 4.5 feet. Okay, so depth of foundation, you can see depth of footing, that is 3 feet to the ground level. Okay, from the bottom of foundation to the ground level, depth of the footing is 3 feet and size of the footing is 4.5 by 4.5 feet. To the thickness of 3 inches, you can see guys this one. First step, this is PCC, which is M10 grade concrete, 1:4:8 ratio. 1 is cement, 4 is sand, 8 is crush or aggregate, PCC, to the thickness of 3 inches. After that, it become less, its step. Okay, you can see this is 3 inches. Okay, also this side 3 inches. Now you can see its reinforcement details and second step, which is depth of 9 inches. You can see here. Okay, now guys, you can also see its reinforcement details. Okay, its reinforcement details, this is base mesh. Okay, dia of steel is 4 numbers, 4 sutar. This is 4 sutar. Okay, as you know guys, 1 sutar is equal 3.17 millimeter. Okay, so 4 number dia of steel bar used here to the spacing of 6 by 6 inches for both way. Okay, main bars and distribution bars. Okay, means like this. Okay, okay, with the spacing of 6 inches. Okay, main bars and also distribution bars for both way, center to center distance between 2 bars, that is 6 inches and dia of bar is 4 number. Okay, means 4 sutar. Guys, you can see its longitudinal bars in this cross section. So here in this column we used, okay, it means if you can see at one side 3 numbers. Okay, so it means there are how many numbers? 6 numbers of steel bars. Okay, 6 can be also and 8 can be also. Okay, if you see from the cross section 3 numbers longitudinal bars, you can see this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3 steel bars. Okay, so this is plan of column. As I have already discussed, 9 by 9 inches is the size of RCC column for this footing. Okay, here are 6 numbers of steel bars. This is other steel bar, sorry, not this one. Okay, this is cross section, so one steel is this one and the other one is this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 numbers, not 4. That's why, because you can see in the cross section, so this is my issue. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4, 5, 6 numbers. So 6 numbers of steel bars which dia is 6 sutar bar. Okay, 6 sutar bar used here, which become about 20 millimeters. Okay, 6 hash 6 bars. Okay, 6 numbers of bars and dia is 6, not 4. Okay, so 4 is here at this mesh at the bottom. Okay, this is plan of this footing for this column, and this is footing. Now guys, come to its 2 feet height. Okay, so we will use here PCC also. Okay, in this RCC we will use PCC. Okay, plain cement concrete. Guys, you can see to the ground level, the other step is with 2 feet. Okay, the first one is 3 inches, 9 inches and 2 feet. Total depth of the footing is 3 feet. Guys, come to its overlapping. Okay, lapping length should not be less than 50 D, where D is dia of steel bar, longitudinal bars. Okay, but in many videos I've already discussed that the lapping length should not be provided at the same point, but here is at the same point, so it should not be provided at the same point. Okay, it should be up and down. Okay, so lapping length is 15 inches. Okay, with the formula of 50 D. When you keep 20 dia, okay, so 20 multiply 50. From this you can keep lapping length. Okay, as you can see, slope here. Okay, bars are bent and lapping length with slope is 1/6. Right, so this is plan of footing and its reinforcement details, and also RCC column plan. Okay, now come to its foundation. How to read foundation drawing, guys? Okay, first of all, guys, I've already discussed size of the footing is 4.5 by 4.5 feet. Okay, but here in other step you can see, guys. Okay, so here this is, okay, this is 3 feet, 3 by 3 feet. Okay, in each step. Okay, but at the level, okay, on the plinth level we will keep 9 by 9 inches size of the column. You can see this is size of the column. Guys, we have thickness of the wall that is 9 inches. Okay, and here this is the center line. You can see this dotted line can show you the center line. Now guys, it's depend on you, because center line is depend on the width of the foundation. Okay, for example, guys, for example, if you want to keep clear distance, okay, like you can see here, this is 16 inches. Okay, 16 by 13 feet. It's a dining room. Okay, this is 16 by 13 feet. So first of all, you will keep the center line. Okay, as you can see, dotted line is center line here. This is center line. Okay, so if you want to keep 13 feet, okay, sorry, 16 feet, this is its length. Okay, and its width 16 feet. So 16 feet, it is depend on the thickness of the wall or on the plinth beam. Okay, for example, if the plinth beam is 1 feet or 12 inches. Okay, 12 inches 1 feet. Okay, so guys, 16 feet plus, okay, 16 feet plus, we will keep the plinth beam half. Okay, which become 0.5 feet. Okay, total width of the plinth beam is 12 inches, so we will keep 6 inches or 0.5 feet. So we will keep the center line on the distance of 16.5 feet. Okay, from this point to this point we will keep 16.5 feet. Now after 16.5 feet we will keep, because this is center line, this is one center line, this is the other center line. So from this center line, it's depend on you. If the foundation width is 3 feet, then we will keep the offset 1.5 feet to this side and 1.5 to this side, so it will become 3 feet. Okay, so this is the way. Guys, you can see here, this is car porch. Okay, and here we have reference line. Okay, reference point. Okay, this is center. Okay, Center line is very important because layout is depend on the center line. So if your center line is okay, so your foundation will be okay, columns, everything will be okay. If center line is wrong, so everything will be wrong. Okay, you can see. So from this center line, you can see, or from this center line, we can keep width of foundation. Okay, guys, this is very important. Now you can also see here, this is 3 by 3 feet, for example. Okay, so this is center line. We will keep here to this side 1.5 feet and to this side 1.5 feet. And this is thickness of the, you can see this is 12 inches. Okay, at the mid you can see this one, okay, which is wall, which is 9 inches, and beam is 1 foot. So the wall will become on the center of the beam. So here one is beam, and between the beam, okay, from the center, so 4.5 inch one side, 4.5 inch other side, so it become 9 inches. Okay, and from the center 6 inch one side and 6 inch other side, so it become 1 foot, right? You can see this is TV lounge, which is 25.5 feet by 15 feet. You can see, but this is from the center line. Okay, this is from the center line. You can see all marks are on the center line. So guys, if you want to do foundation layout without center line, so you are not able to fix your columns. Okay, its direction will be wrong. So actually foundation layout is depend on the center line. So for this footing, for this one also, here in these footings, okay, I have already discussed its reinforcement details, etc. You can see, which is 4.5 by 4.5 feet. Okay, this is column size 9 by 9 inch, and also its reinforcement details. So guys, this is the way to read foundation drawing from the center. There isn't issue, there isn't any problem in foundation layout. Okay, so if you know about center line, so after center line you are able to do everything. How? Let me discuss. For example, I want to keep, this is center line, for example, center line. Okay, so if you want to keep 14 feet, okay, so from the center line you will keep what? You will keep, if the thickness of the wall is 9 inches, for example, wall thickness, if the wall is 9 inches, so this is center line, and you want to keep 14 feet. Okay, then you will have to take what? 14 feet and 9 inches, 14 feet and 9 inches. Okay, so then 14 feet 9 inches. Okay, so this become my center line. So after this center line, so this is dotted line, can show you center line. Okay, so after that you will take offset. It's depend on the width of foundation. If the foundation width is, for example, 2 feet, so you will keep 1 foot one side, 1 foot other side, same like this. Okay, if the width of foundation is 4 feet, so 2 feet offset one side and 2 feet offset other side. Okay, so center line is depend on the thickness of the plinth beam, width of the plinth beam, or thickness of the wall. Okay, then you are able to fix your columns, also to fix your wall, etc. So guys, if you have any question related with this topic, so you can comments. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.